Hi guys, so Emoline is this cream for mainly dry skin treatment. I have very dry skin. I have had it since childhood, so I use this. Now I do not recommend people who have oily skin to try this because it's really moisturizing, and you might feel sticky after you apply it if you have oily skin. Now just continuing with the regular makeup routine that I follow before doing the eyes. So for all of you who love Huda Beauty makeup, Nykaa has made available these Nude Obsessions palettes in all 3 shades, along with some more new launches that you might have already seen and heard about on social media by now. So here I'm just applying some purple we had used earlier on top of the brown, and also I feel your fingers are the best applicator when it comes to applying these glittery shades on your eye. Just applying some of that purple on the lower lash line as well. Now I am using the lashes I got along with the palette here, but since this look is really subtle, you can always just go with the mascara and it'll look as good. Like this look and you learned something. All the products are linked in the description below. Do check them out if you want to. Follow me on Instagram and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye.